Did Jesus really live? Help from outside this planet. Since the creation of man, we find in history a searching by men and women for something outside of themselves. It's as though there is something missing in us and we're on a quest to find it. From the earliest literature, we find people writing about gods and demigods, human, godlike creatures from outside of this world that have special wisdom, special knowledge, and special powers to fix what's wrong with us and our world. For all of us have the innate sense that we are not all we could be. Something is missing, and we must find it. Something is not quite right in our society, and we need to fix it. That's the essence of all religion, man's attempt to find outside of himself the answers to things that are intangible. Literature is full of Greek myths, fables, and fairy tales, and in modern times, science fiction. We have written our wildest imaginings in attempts to fill in the gaps that we all know are there. Some of you will remember growing up watching the TV show Superman. He was an ordinary looking guy with big glasses named Clark Kent. He worked as a reporter for the metropolitan newspaper called the Daily Planet. This enabled him to keep track of what was going on and where he might be of help. At the crucial moment in the show, he would disappear as Clark Kent and reappear as bigger-than-life Superman. With his red cape flying behind him, he could leap tall buildings and fly above the city to wherever he was needed. He was a good guy, always wanting to help and set things right. For thousands of years, people have written about someone outside this planet coming, because it's an ongoing ache within us to know why this world exists and what we in particular are here for. In many ways, we're all like goldfish swimming in the same bowl. We want answers as to where the bowl came from and how we came to be swimming in it. Unless we hear from someone outside of our own existence, we will never know. Did such a superhuman life ever exist? The answer to this question was answered back in the 1st century by a man worthy of our investigation. Yes, it's been over 2,000 years since he came, but the evidence for his existence was documented carefully. In the next video, let's look at what the historians of his time wrote about him.